Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to connect your SHEIN store with 4Seller. Now 4Seller support you authorize your SHEIN store to sync listings, handle orders, and manage your SHEIN products inventory. In 4Seller, there are two entrants to integrate with SHEIN. Entrance 1. On the home page, if you are a new user, you can set up your sales channel in the 4Seller setup wizard on the home page and click the SHEIN shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Entrance 2. Click Shop Manage in Settings and then click the SHEIN shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Click SHEIN icon, input custom name, select shop type. 4Seller support authorize self-operated shop and semi-hosted shop and click Connect. Page will jump into the SHEIN login page and then input your account and password to log in. After login successfully, please click SHEIN User License Agreement and choose Confirm Authorization to connect SHEIN Shop to 4Seller. Through authorized successfully, you will see below page. Through authorization, you can log in 4Seller to manage your store. You can delete or edit custom name. You can also check the shop status. Active means the store has been authorized to 4Seller successfully. If the status become inactive later, please try to reconnect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.